Traditionally, according to the Hindu Shastras, a woman is half her husband's body when he's alive, and when he dies, she becomes half his corpse. And when she becomes half his corpse, her head is shorn off, and she can only eat one meal a day, and in fact live like a corpse.
याद है बिटिया, जिससे तुम्हारा ब्याह हुआ था?
ना।
वो नदी के भेंट चढ़ चुका है। अब तुम विधवा हो गई हो।
कब तक बाबा?
A lot of women were sent to Varanasi to live out their lives in renunciation, usually because of property. So religion was, traditionally used or misused rather to get rid of women so they would not be a part of the property dispute. So Varanasi became a huge center from the 19th century to this day, where widows are sent to find liberation. That means to live out their lives in complete renunciation and to die there. If you die in Varanasi, you will never be reborn, and you will find the end of the life cycle. What happened with water, in fact, is incredible, because we were not allowed to shoot it even before we, did a first shot, and a lot of that has to do with internal politics.
3 crore rupees have already been invested in the film, which was to be shot from January the 30th to April the 12th, and the cast and the crew were ready to begin, having already obtained a clear permission from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry.
It started off with, yes, here we are with all our permissions, we've done everything that's lawful, and then you have to consult the state government. The state government, in this case, which was UP, the province of Uttar Pradesh, said, sure, come on in, you're welcome, anything we can do for you. Suddenly there were talks or murmurs in the city that somehow the film or the script that we were doing was anti-Hindu.
There seems to be no end to the controversy over Deepa Mehta's film Water. The shooting has now been stopped by the state government. After the suicide attempt by a Shiv Sainik protester Arun Kumar Pathak, a mob gathered at the location of the film's shooting, shouting slogans and pelting stones.
Somehow the script leaked out. It was not the original version of the script. It was a much earlier draft that leaked out, and there were sentences taken from that draft that were totally out of context, misinterpreted, and printed in the local newspapers to incite people and to prove that the film was against Hindus, which is absolutely incorrect. Hindu fundamentalists were saying that there is no way that this film should be made.
On Friday, the state BJP's women's cell burned the effigy of Deepa Mehta, saying that the film should not be shot in West Bengal.
A lot of energy, hard work, money has gone into the making of Water. There have been days where I've been filled with anger and saying, what is this injustice of it all? There's one thing that I never ever lost during all of this, which was the resolve that I will definitely make this film.